Good morning, students. Today we will start exercise 9.2 and 9.1 will be a study of a pictograph, and 9.2 will be start the draw the bar graph, draw the pictograph. Okay, now total number of animal will be 5 villages are following. That the first number of village of A, village B is a 120, village C is a 90, village D is a C 90, D is a 40, E is a 60. Okay, in question is given is one symbol is a, this is symbol will be used are 10 animals, and after you draw a pictograph you have solved 3 questions. Okay, so first will be draw a pictograph. Okay, now pictograph is it 3 words. Now first will be name, second is number of animal. Okay, and draw the graph. It is called the picto table. Okay, now first will be village A, second is village B, third is a village C, village D, and fifth is a village E. Okay, and draw the separate block boxes. Okay, and here will be write the symbol, means you have symbol will be used already given in the question, is equal to 10 animal. Okay, 10 animal. Now start. In the village is 80, so 80 is 80 upon 10, because 10 animal is a 1 symbol, 0 0 cancel, it is a 8. It means you have draw 8 symbol, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. Okay, because 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 and 80, and village B is 120. Now we 120 upon 10, because 1 and 1 symbol is equal to 10, so 0 0 cancel, only 12. You have 12, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Now increase the table, is 12. And make a symbol is same. Okay, now count how many symbols, is a 12 symbols. Okay, next is a 90, that 90 divided by 10 is 0. It means you have draw a 9 symbol, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and similar to all diode symbol. Okay, now D is a 40. 40 means 40 upon 10 is 0 0 cancel, only 4, 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, last is 60. 60 means 60 upon 10 only 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 symbol. It show the village E are number of animals. So here will be complete your pictograph. Okay, now that the answer of first. Answer of first is how many symbols represent animal of E. There the E. How many symbols? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you write 6 symbols. Okay. Now answer of B. Which village has a maximum number of animal? Which village? Here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 means 120. So that is the village B is 120 animal. Okay. Next is which village will we have more animal? Village A or village B? So you have that C answer of village A. Village A is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 80. Village A animal is a 80. And village C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That be village C is 9. So more than that, the answer is village C is a more than animals. Question number second is ask the total number of students in the school are different in a show in the following table. In this table is given the year 1996, 1998, 200 and 202, 204, and number of students in 1996 is 400, 1998 is 535, and 200 is 472, and 202 is 600 students, and 204 year is 623 students. Okay, and ask that this type of symbol will be used the 100 students. Okay, so first will be symbol will compare. Okay, this is the 5 student. Suppose 4 you have, this is 4 student. Okay, now it is 3 student, and this is the 5 is full diagram is 5 student. Okay, and both one leg is disturbed to 4 student, and 3 is a both leg is disturbed, and 2 is a 1 will be cancelled is 2 student, and only head and said this is the 1 student. Okay, suppose first compare. Here is the 100 student. 100 means they are to write 100 is 0 upon 1. Okay, they are 5 and 100. How many times? 20 times. Okay, 5 into 20 is equal to 100. Okay, it means you have draw up, and here will be 4 into 20 is equal to 80. It means your value is 80. You have draw this type diagrams, and here 3 into 20 is equal to 60. Suppose we are round of 60, you have draw this type of diagram, and 2 is 40. That 40 is simple, and 20 is a only this. Okay, now draw the pie graph, pictogram. Okay, now you show first will be first column is year. Now write 1996, 1998, and 200, and 202, and 204. Okay, second is a number of student. Okay, and okay, first is a 400. 400 will simply 4 is 400 means full 4 diagrams. This is the 400 because 1 is a 100, 100, 200, 300 and 400. Next is a 500. 535 means 500 plus 35. Okay, the 500 will be used the 5 full diagrams. This is the 500 and 35. 35 is, before I will now write that 100 means full, 80 means only one leg, 60 means both leg, 40 means only one, and 20 means only. Okay, so 35, where is the 35? 35 is a 20 and 30, but nearest by 40. So you have draw this type of sign. Okay, 35 is the nearest of 40, so you draw the 40 because only you have not give the 0.5. Now 472. 472 is 472 means 400 plus 72. So 400 means 4 full diagrams. Okay, and 72. 72, where is the 72? Is here, and nearest by 60, 80. 80. So you write this type. Okay, because 72 is a nearest by 80. Next is 300, 600. 600 means you have divided the 6 symbols of full symbols. Okay, and 623. 600 plus 23. 6 will be full. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 is complete. Okay, and 23. Where is the 23? 23 is the nearest by 20. So you have draw only this. Okay, and here will be complete your table is called the pictograph. Okay, and one is mistake. You have write a third column will make is full diagrams is equal to 100 students. Symbol will be compulsory you write on right side of the table. Okay, now in this question, that the first question asks ki how many symbols represent the total number of students in 2002? Okay, given question, that question 1 is answer you write. Okay, you see that is the how many symbols represent total number of students in a year 2002. So 2002 is a number of students 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2002 is a 6. In 2002 total number of student is 600. And question 2, that is the answer. Question 2, how many symbol is represent total number of student of the year 1998? Okay, in year 1998 the total symbol is how many symbols? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.5. Okay, 5.5 because the value is 5.5. ये लिख सकते हैं, you have write 5 complete and 1/2. Okay. And third question you have not solved. This is only try question. Okay. Now some information regarding to art and intrication. Suppose you have draw a file page. Okay. This type of file page. First page file by the self introduction. It's mean art intrication headings. Okay. Second, you have draw a map. Suppose you have Nagaland to Nagaland map, Manipur to Manipur map, and here will be start simple journal information. Third page is journal information, and fourth page you have given the information according to Wikipedia. Okay, and fifth page will be on the draw the graph, and graph will be drawn by the colors, by the paper cutting, pasting. If you have in same topic of all students, but you have exposed your talent how to made. Okay, thank you.